It's October 8th. We have a Indigo Mandarinquat. It's usually a little bit bigger than this in the summertime, but this is a fall harvest. It's still producing fruit. There's different stages. You can see, and then this is a ripe one. So I'm pretty sure the quality is quite different, but let's see. I still love it regardless. Has a sweet skin, few seeds. Ooh, tart. We got some tart flesh, but the skin is very, very good. I think I do like the size of this Indigo, but I like the flavor of my, I can't remember, my other kumquat that I have. I can't think of the name right now, but I'll post it up. But yeah, this is a lovely, the largest size Mandarinquat I've seen.